Hello, class 9 students. Today you have the exercise questions of exercise 1-2. Exercise 1-2, question number 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. Problem number 1. Every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number. You know, a real number is a combination of rational and irrational number. Real number is a combination of rational and irrational number, and therefore irrational numbers are also real numbers. Okay, this statement is true. This statement is true. Next, every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a rational number. That statement is false. That statement is false. The reason is square root of 4. Square root of 4. A square root of any natural number. Square root of any natural number is m is a natural number. M is a natural number. Natural number. Square root of all the natural numbers always will be positive. But in the number line, you know, there is a negative numbers. And a negative number cannot become the square root of a natural number. Therefore, this statement is false. Therefore, this statement is false. Every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is an irrational number. That statement is false. Statement is false. The reason is every real number is an irrational number. Only irrational number is real number, but the real number includes rational number also. Therefore, this statement is false. Question number 2. Are the square root of all positive integers rational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. Are the square root of all positive integers rational? Square root of all the positive integers are not rational. Not rational. But if not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. Square root of a positive integer. Square root of 4 is equal to how many? 2, which is rational. Okay. And now we have to solve question number 3. Question number 3. Prove that root 5 can be represented on the number line. Now we have to draw a line. We have to draw a line. And mark it as 0. Take 1 unit. Any 1 unit here. Okay, yes. Let it be A. And draw a perpendicular. Take 1 more unit. This is 1 unit. Take 1 more unit. And this is 2 units. A, B. And draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular at B. And take 1 more unit. This is 1 unit. This is also 1 unit. Here take 1 unit. Extend it. 1 unit. Up to here. Now this point is C. 1, 1, 1. Join with the OC, join with the ruler. Now, this is 2 units, this is 1 unit. According to Pythagoras theorem, OC is equal to root of 2 square plus 1 square is equal to root of 4 plus 1 is equal to root 5. Now, this length is root 5. OC is root 5. But we have to mark What is the length of this root 5 length on the number line? This length is not on the number line. We have to mark on the number line. For that purpose, take your compass and metal tip on 0, pencil tip on C. This is this OC is root 5. Then draw an arc. Okay. Now this arc is, this is also root 5, this is also root 5. Now the arc intersect the number line on P. Now OP is equal to root 5. We can represent the root 5 on the number line. Now question number 4. In this, this is a question and also a classroom activity. And then we have to make a square root spiral. Okay. And we have to draw. This is 0. Take 1 unit, mark 1 unit, and draw the perpendicular. Draw the perpendicular. That perpendicular also should be 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This perpendicular also should be 1 unit. Now this is OA, this is B. Now it is this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is root 2. This is root 2. Now from this root 2 we can go root 3. Take your set square like this, draw 1 more unit. Okay, yes. Draw 1 more unit. And then you have to take 1 unit equal to 1 unit on this now join it. This is C. OC. This is root 3. Root 2 square plus 1. This is 1 unit. Root 2 square. OB is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2. OC is equal to root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2 square. How many? 4 plus root 2 square is 2 plus 1 is equal to root 3. OC is root 3. Now take 1 more unit. Check it, is equal to 1 unit, exactly 1 unit. Here, 1 unit. And this is join it. This is root of 4. Root of 4 is, it is 2. O, B, C, D. OD is equal to root of root 3 square plus 1 square. Root 3 square is 3 plus 1. Root 4 is equal to 2 also. Root 4. In this manner we can make a root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, etc. in a spiral model. Okay, it will come like this.